I'm going to show you how to draw a support ribbon because that's what we're going to do for this finger where I lost that, one of my nails lifted and came off. So I'm going to replace that with metastatic breast cancer colors, I hope. So we're working on this. All right. So the first thing you need to do when you're drawing this is like a little V shape. All right. And then on top of that V shape, you draw this little arch. And then continue your V shape, straight lines above it, right? Extend those V shapes out and just make sure these lines are kind of straight. And then you do another one of these arches. And then with this arch, you can extend it to that. And then you take this down to that. And then with this arch, you come around like that. And then you can extend it as much as you want there. And like cap it off however you want. Okay, like I said, I'm not an artist. So again, you do that V shape. And then you put this little thing here. And you put this round thing here. And you come down. And you can bring that down for your first part of it. And you come around this way. And then you come down this way. And you put it together like that. Okay? So that's kind of how you do a support ribbon.